same thing. Because if man have a heart, now ya emina sunu that man have a heart, it can lead you to death. You know? So blood is no more thicker than water anymore. My sister, beware of your family. If not, so family will rule you down. Beware of your family. They are the worst of your enemy. Many of us today for abroad, now family made them never settle down. Now family made them not get husband. Now family made them not respect their husband. Beware of family, my people. Not be all advice. Not be all advice where your sister they give you. Oh, wagariye. Now blood is no more thicker than water. If you not wake up for yourself, your family go bring you down. They go turn you to zero. They go turn you to person where be say you can't lie, can't work for them. Blood is no more thicker than water. Facebook people, when I hear me, believe it or not, many people will talk to drunkard for abroad today. Now family cause them, not be their friend though. Not be when she cause them. Now the same mama, the same papa, they will be enjoying your money, but they can never give you good advice. They will be relaxing in your house where you build, but they can never advise you to stay with your husband. There is no blood is thicker than water. Everybody have to use his sense. No carry her, and my sister begin, and my brother me carry their matapu for her. You go just fall. For those who carry their sister for her, they fall. Evije ya si omagi yeke. Evije ni si omagi yeke o bunse evije ni si omagi yeke. Evije ni to oma o bunse evije ni to oma. Da fe o oro bivije. Da to oro bivije. For the amena yakbo bije. Amena yakbo bije. Oh, we jo mana mata wori e kapu. It's not a crime. It's not a new thing when you talk to your sister, your blood brother enemy. It's not a crime. It's in the Bible. It's in the Bible. There was a woman where be say he can't make money. All in family, his brother, his sister, they can't chop him. He can't ask God, say, God, how I want to come alive. I never settle my brother. I never settle my sister. God tell him, say, if you not run from your sister, we're not serious for their life. You will never celebrate your goodness. You not run away. It's in the Bible, my people. The way of your sister, blood sister, not clear. Run away from them. If you see, I said the way of your brother is not clear. Whether they day Europe, they day Nigeria, they day Lagos, all over the world. Run from there. You save a life away. I'm your region or yazan or yakpo region. When wa une say appreciate when wa samene say we convenient. So that blood is thicker than water. Now many of them they talk, especially Areman Ovija me fio boju ao Ovija fio bojo ao Ugumo no yata we blood is thicker than water. One yakete blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water. Many of them wa ya we ebi no ami mata wonu ya nowadays e ma no roena do ma sevije e ma no roena do atemata ma ivije many of our ivije iya we me €1 no iya we €20 but ma no roe so iya we me €1 no iya we €1 gele no. Why blood is thicker than water? Use your wisdom. That was old days. Blood is no more thicker than water, especially we were in Europe. Our family for home, they choose us. They know they appreciate. They know they sit down, they talk, say, my sister wait there abroad, time for me. Oh, if not be my sister wait there abroad, I for not chops and son. They can never say it. All they go say, my sister not good. My sister go marry. My sister don't know whether you get family. Use your sense. So if you don't have your children, you get your husband. Take over your husband. You know. Carry your husband for heads. Ope amugo your maune one more yok mamonya or that for me one away here. So that ya me we beg you what donaje. Am where you zabo, a boyfriend amu yizabo, or donomugo your mahu one moenya. Emu vije nyahu, wamare ne, emu jua nyahu, ki jua ke ya izabo wa muyanya, amije no si omagi yeke, amije no deba, o vije agbo makia, umana ruenwa. Ki joue kera ibi je via ya jizabo o da fon we mo no bie mu ya nyaho wa we hia iyo matane o kimeke mo o wa de gije gi am ye sabodi nu ya ro woto e mo da fon we yizabo u ga mo wa we yizabo ibi joue na bere wo mo da fon we yizabo. They will never wish you to stay in your husband's house. Uravie monu bia yizabo, ivi juena berere monu bia yizabo vianji. They will never advise you to take care of your children. Na ori ya. Ami oru pa no mu vi je so ta no mi ogogo. Do wa ma na no wa e. Ijo ma no problem. Ori agbon ga we pa. Ijo ka pa ko mo. Ma beri vije no we ere. Oga penu keri ne fane we. O mana ri na o yeri e bae. O mana mu ki na tegbe emu ta le fian. No me ke na ti tegbe emu. O mana le fe ese ti tegbe emu. O mana koko nezi u mama gbon egbe. Umana rie gapi ne eseti zi umama gbonegbe waga gigi ma emu Nigeria ibije boni mamuria ekemi every month ugari go give you every month eseti mi na negbe do wa mana ina rie gi eje iju ebera every month because ya your money ma bego obije na sagi oga ye nwina ge ya ozo koso we ozo we bi emigo we edemagbene weri ebai umana wina ne weri ebai ibije ro no gwalowo wu ibije ro no ri eni o ma yo jobo ibije ro no rudewe bo tion e no pa kaka bori a osoto especially who owi pia ile do aberi pe so no be love ibije se all of we just say option no okwo ni ere Yorùbá brother uga mare ne mo wo kan we we mo yokpan awo eyan mo ra wi ju e o wi ju e no dio nu we si mi alagbote mo ya ji sabo brother we no mare ne megugun a epa we no wo wo wa no mo go yoko hun ge pe we ga ro we sabo ki ju e ke ya vi ya ye training o e bezi na ya sa me be se gi ya ga ro we sabo o ori no ro wo wa wo o wi we nu bie mo ya ye bezi nya hun ge family we be ge sabo ti wo mare ne uga onu ga mo work with marriage we ibije ni buro no dori ya marriage wa o isu atore ma we na imi na ke no mi na o e no jo no na mi no sense no na mi o gene gbe no na jo ga ya hin opo ma odo atale ya ma we o ku onu we ri Yorùbá no mi we ga e zero no mi we ga hun omi no mi we ma mebe no mi we ma meti la tave ke ni wa Ovijo do atama we yen bo mi o eri azeno eri awo fi owe yo ha eri awo okwe iwe eri awo unzano eri egbe no kere ga zeno yi egen we na so wijo ni ma bege fi jonwe e pa tope ise mo wo ka we je training so agwe na du me mo okonu ri enya ho aga mo mi bi je nya ho okonare Yorùbá e pa agi love Tia be spirit love. Okay, marriage. If you just call them every day. Ugari okwa no makeke no ati obiju every day. Ugari okwa no makeke no ati je no bia every day. Imasa meju nuta. Owo come ati every day. Even on we bia we nwa gbera 20 years on arogo boy we tin every day. But okwo no we home every day no. So wa e wo mo kiki ko kiki munyahu so awa ehia iri ogwo na ogwo ni ri Yorùbá o yonya efele imama ọmọ ni me bo wa o yonya efele ibije me o wa garo me sabo ije me ni je we gari me sabo oviera me we gari me sabo osebi yo mani le ga me we gari me sabo iri ogwo na okwo ni ri Yorùbá o me mu nyahu na keke mono bie me yan me fi nyahu na eke ni ri la ifi yan nyahu we no ge somebody umana we berio aka webo bia no ku egbe bia na webo wa mi ni vije with marriage ye again aseke no je do we twa wa no tie we dedegbe tama wuri okwo ne get us disturb you yes ohono e last born one tama wo obi me when he marry ne disturb marriage ni wari a message now why am you go we marriage wa because many of una a marriage we bo if you wa odori agatota ye paluwa u gata be marriage ma we ju aso are ne obi ju dolele wa we mi odon ha me u gata be marriage we ma ju aso are ne ju odo alele we mi odon ha me o ga onu kwa bo kan we fo mo face bo kan we omuru a odo happy ma we odo alele we ma but ti ju we je ibina ni mina na so edede ma okwo ni ri eyo wa ogwadu alele me we mi odon ma okwo nu ri eyo wa iju no onu ku efo a obega ene go mana kwokwo ni fo anye se tiri yowe cause why ga me problem with obokun wa u ga iju wa yari wa problem to problem o ga mu ere u ga sendigo o ga zese o ga mi pastor o ga jadane no ga jadane a yes mo boka we nyawo enu ga we kian o brother me no ri oku epa no mo ko bo wa egwe bi ju enu munyahu egwe bo bi ju enu fi ogagbe fi obo kan we be mo nu bi e fi ogagbe ru da wa ga wu obi o ma mo ke gbo ma gwe ju amo ke bo egwe o we na no je mi je yawe mi be marriage we na no je vi je yawe mi be marriage o awe to me o uga ajo ba we ri marriage wa aga yoba makwedo okwaye wafua ogwefo yoba wo no suselele wefua ru dijue opa be kin awe ta won yen se ti gboko ni yen yo wa ni jiyen ako okwo nu ri yo wa e ba wa sun agbon ijue wo ge bonne owo adogwo we ogijue la ruji no ko nu ri yo wa e brother no no ri ebe ni je yawe mi bo water hey riuji no monu fia yo wa e brother no no ri ge ba e get you bo wa na ri no mo no bi ebe we bo wa una o salo bo me wo teta we se owe ni ka ma we ge mi nu go magba owu ke de ba e ne ro we nu kare ni money e fi onu we nu ta we e da do go koko bi e ra no kokime erugwo be kokugwe eti ti ayera koke ize yamu yobe kokobie a governor of Edo State yobe kokobie the president of Nigeria yobe kokegbo the president of France yobe kokegbo the president of America yobe kokegbo da doga mu yo ezi ye wo ba onu ya mogere no same kenari afia gbe negede gbe nu Ria me message now. God bless you. You got damn a message now. Your life will never be the same again. In the mighty name of Jesus. Go and work on your marriage, paper. A marriage I win now, I win a robot beer. A marriage you are win now, I win a robot way. Umarerunu. Arerunu deba marriage. We marerunu. Umarerunu. Ekenwa na reru ko ofin manike. Ekenwa na yo button okwo ugbera he. Ekenwa na gwo ogie ugu ga gwiju egie. Ekenwa na gwiwe aku ugu ga me ni litwe. E marriage ama we bo we ma oro bikpia. Ema to saloba do tamuwa orobik bia eroboko mana like message mu wegwere marriage ama o ema orobik bia 99% orobik bia ekere ogi kuwo we wo ojon wo wa mawe mi otion wo pia wo wa betu mawe mi opia be ava opia be attack me we ga attack me ne okwo mi o ma fo we ga ma mi no sunu gi agbe we ne okwo mi o ma fo emi bu no lele marriage ki anu wa ni bu ma e o se ni na no wa we me 70 ketia aya maria we me 70 keti no aya ri okwu a uga mina utamo bo kan we o kan na me wo kan we mi na me be wa no bu ga mina u ya ta mi ju e u ma ta mi ju o ya ta mo wi ju e da ya we mi karata wo kan we ma no ata ma u na e dogbonuche a wo se we ya fefefo mo wo kan we gboto ni ya wa ikole gbe wo ri awo kan we ni wa ikole a wo se bi yo mo ri awo kan we ni wa e marriage ama we ma wo ro bikpia oga ke no pia kan le loko wa o le marriage wa rere wa kan le le ugari oja no loko o ma de mi no ria nuda odoja we kin ro momo nuda odo ven gbe we nu e ya o message na but ebonana bima ya na te weni adofie woriye no ku odo a ozu o no do akpa na pe ma wo ya o ebori ge ebona we aga we no ku almost wo bogwa agbon ma pia o se na ebona mo ku yo ka o do wa mana ina no wa emi no sie na we bonare eri ni apa wetin amoko ye 0 we no wa moko ye 0 be bonana biwa agbon alogi ya be webo ebo won egere ya calculate ya bege yini adobo mewu ya mewu ya wa to be computer ni ya bege yini o be computer ni ya bego jaw ya mu pa mu we na amanari respect no ku agmeseti ma ya bebo bete bo no wa kete okwo ememe nota okwo keke no kwa ememe nota elele mi na mu gbo bebo no kete no do ya nyire webo wa o na gbon ma we okwo aweta gbon ma wa gbon gele ma we aweto logo bi oyin mi keka eje da ya soton okwa awetu de ugele de do wa mana ina no wa e power no re gboko to igede gbe okwo obi ewe okwo mu we ye ko for 9 months e opia aweto meru woga o eniye na aya gele bi ewe bere kene power kede odo tatakadaka baba tikoro pa awoga uwe ni emuhiana o aya bie we pita una do blow bebe na lo ekita bere u pa brother o sala pa woni to give you a message na then me ba bonya unu ya hewe agi mere ni do save we de kenula la tian yi brother de kenula la tian oni sola la tian abi fesi juola la tian Fiungi me we wori o. Fiungi me we wori o. Amoko pepepepe. Wa hi areje egi ye fridge amu ne ge deri okwo beje. Be wa ni bu wa mai kojo okwo. Wa we gbe ba loko. E me ne gbe ba loko se wa en kojo ge na kontan. Be ni meje na mo wi ko se. O wa amu me gbe na wa yo bo kan me egbe fan ori meri an o gie wa fe me. Me egbe gi ba lo se. We are watching me when I hail me. Hey, you're one. Oh, come and ugwa. You were gbe mo. But what time I go to the water you have an energy. And I do one going to boom my cold. It's your own total doctor. When I will call you, I am mume. If not, so you could devour we. Well, what better we mo tiame? Hail me. Tiame will go no wo. Oh, no, me. One meal. Abo uni ya kara kwa begbe meji be many of na wa ma o e mo me jere ikwema ikweme respect o ko give me respect say we ga a wiki point ma malako keke. It's good to say the truth me mate ka gi me ati go pe aparo be ti gi me no ji na we ya do alele ti an lele ji an e ma nye do ayo yo wa bo keke ina we toto ta rebe no ya mume o wa mume heli me ti ame ni no rie la lo one of Paris ijore one of Birikijo omohin ogbeneneni onwini mene be wa no bu o kan wa iwa mo we me we hin agbe lai we are maybe na we are we here Emata dota muwa o. A marriage are re orobuwa. Very simple. Very, very simple. Yes. A marriage de logo. If you're a marriage or they lies. You know what I mean lies. Or they bright. Or my tight. You know go OD days marriage. They want to live a life for free. That is this simple. Yeah, mommy, I live it. I'm gonna go to ya live. I know, I'm with I know. I'm gonna go. No, we want to do is lies, silly lies. Up man, yari, where we yari. Oh, the day was not like that. Erame was having our own special uzokbono yari. We don't need that kind of law nowadays. We are all one. Blood shed to blood. You are my husband. You can use my car. I can use your car. So the new relation, as people say, we want to make a marriage light. You know, light, simple. No squeezy. But no, when a woman don't greet you when they bring you as a man, you can greet the woman. But all the days was not like that. No, we don't need a koko nowadays. When a woman not greet you, there is a reason no matter 2 hours. You have to call her my wife, my beautiful queen. You look so good. What is going on with you? You see, very simple. Very, very simple, my people. But there are some men, they don't want to ask. They begin to say, woman at 12, maybe 2 hours more. No. Marriage not be like that nowadays. I am giving you the wicked point. How to marry now. The new generation marriage. The open marriage. The sliced marriage. The sweetest marriage. This is original marriage. All the days marriage was not a marriage. The only thing I enjoy all the day was a respect. Their respect is quality. But their marriage was so tight. Okmano gaya riba mame ya riba. When you book and so only ya no. No. I have never seen my mama wear my papa nika. But the new generation, the new marriage we live now, you can wear your husband nika. You can even wear your husband bossa if you like. There is no hour. We don't need our have killed a lot of people. We don't need it anymore. Okwa wasi jobe marriage ma. You can wear your husband bossa. Even up by the mo ebegbe. Ebo emu ebegbe. Akwo ebi wina. O wa bi ese. Emi wa go on fine. That is what I wish the new marriage. Itoria, oye. Esa oye. Hedo oye. Ibo oye. Yoruba oye. I respect you all. You get me? Your wife can wear your t-shirt without no mosquito taka for your body. No. But all the days was not like that. So we have to use our mouth to claim good things into our marriage. Now, sometimes I don't want to hold people advice for marriage level. Their advice is too tight. It's too complicated. It's too dominated. Advice of old people of marriage. It's not their portion for them to advise us. Okay, anybody wey hold don't advise us for marriage. Una time don't pass. Now we dey on board now. Now we supposed to advise, especially me, Iyore one of Paris, aka Okinebo. Now me supposed to advise them. We need new life. Yes, all people make una not advise us. Una time too strong. It's too strong. Una cannot even go club with una husband. Even another party self. As you walk in yele kute you over. Uwe mwe o. Ukpolo wa aro wa kota for the phone. No. Now, party. They will sit down. They will be present. Yes, this is the new generation. Husband and wife can travel out, leave the children. They go to some week. That's what we wish ourselves. Marriage advice, it did not belong to the old people anymore. It's all your Facebook people. Mama share this message. Waga mi tete no ye advice no ga be marriage. Why tell me oh? E advice ya emma. Osuobu. Magenu iviore. Wagiviore the advice no wa. Awa go be marriage. Awa me freedom. E marriage yan me yan no. E ati awa me ka gbe me wa. Ti oda for me ka gbe me wa. O ati oda for my egbo ma wo made the mistake o ka we koda fun we. O do won yin me o ka we koda fun we. O ma kan family da fun we. O did this egbo settle now. Mama ini egbe no settle ma. Husband and wife settle e ugbe Betty man settle e. O ka gbe wa gi mi anyogi won. Adi mo marriage ki wa do settle. That was what it start. Everybody have to stop and epa stop e no make nato. E ma ya no ya mu e kesi e marriage gi egbe akunya wi wina ti ya hin zero u ga mo wa no bok wetin bo because aga imwezo se meeting e emi so no kan we ga idota iyo ni tale mi no sunu o wa no bo wa nu wete mule ne bo ma ewu bo o kan we do tale ya o wa no bo iye o wa no bo igo me bi aro mo mu igo ne ti o ma no ri ave gbe no ma ti ewu bo wo do he na mu yo kagbe you have to be over. If you like believe this message, if you cannot handle your wife, don't marry. If you cannot talk to your wife as a man, don't marry. If you anytime your wife made the mistake, me ma bego ko no hose me my family other family you were there complain my wa o you were there where give ni jore wa no o even no ya gume gwanrere me na no ukakaka no wari oto dada no kin ai na we na egbe gbegun me gwa wa kin owo egbe gbegun me gwa o kin we na na do agbebo da o me o ge na ri me na we o bia na gele me na ya mu jore ye ni very very important no ma me na ya mu jore ye aru bi ore yo ma no me na ya mu jore egbe me o gbe me ni no wa gbe ni o ge na wari ye me o ge na wari ye me no ti wa nya ma egbe gbegun me gwa. I begin to smile. I begin to say, oh, you know. God bless you, my people. Mona enjoy this message. Wow, I got video now. Mona share the video. Oh, my beautiful destiny, Jesus Christ. God will bless you. As you bless me today, God will always bless you. Every day in your life, God will bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. Well, I say that is how we live nowadays. Okay, we no mama. Because sometimes we have Isware ro iswate sweet in my area one. You set it to taweri me. When you ya vesua. A marriage may not a family. Oh, while my marriage a family and you. No, but what we are telling my ear Kawama Bogbe. You might want to boy express it. Oh, when no bell wagmo. Usia, Aqua Rabbit settle. We read you my bog benny. Don't do that, sister. Don't do that. Agui, I settle. As a man, as a baby, no. Or what one more no beer. And no be all way. When man control everywhere, no begin to no start to they preach, no start to they pray. Say, God, I don't need this kind of a thing. What day you wear a minesu? I could be a mama, your marriage would day yo. We had tear one no market no tea. On a worry, Buddha men, who will best way here. Now, would not be no begging, bug when. Oh, they are not begging, naked, no summer, and watch we are moving. dem no jo ya o we are not beg gbe we no na beg nwewe ona beg kebe ona be ona we are ale we here 1 week apo ogbe na sister wagi mata apo ogbe oga wo offend ni no pia ya yin ya ogi me wa yin ya o ya win yo o salobo ni kawo ogi me ime wa yin ya ito ge ma wa ya zere ago ma we gima ariye la e do mo ve la zani ma ya ariye mi I say we gimari ona na emi no like say igwe ni mari eva ere ya we bete bo ni bulatia abe tete ari bute na no wa bana yin seti ri egbe bute na no wa aya ari bute ibute ore no ana oyo watawe mi aseti duo na so ta mi aseti duo na mi omo mi wa mi aseti am. You get my point? Wa aseti duo na mi omo mi what's here? Oh, what do I na journal with it be? Wa jo stay. E modo ba weba. E je we do ba weba. Iye do ba weba. O se bi yon man wa pa ka je school yen do ba weba. O do so ya proud. A marriage me 20 years e ye gbe na. 30 years e ye gbe na. 100 years e ye gbe na. You get me? Wa gbe comment no mama I block you well. Wa gbe comment no mama I will block you. Okay? So now so like be my people. God bless you everybody. God bless you. You cannot know everything about me. Some people say he are lacking, he are aiming or go home with life for one. Wa su se gbe wa e gbo ma le yo. Wa onu we mi no sunu with life me. U se wa wuji. A time no keke nu ya zi u ma wa gbon dagbe we. Wa gwa lo ni soma here. Ege na rije na ri gwa lo ni soma. No we e di motor gbon, it's not of your business. No waiting that bowana. It's none of your business. Face your whole life. You have many things to do for your children. You have many things to do for your grandchildren. Face your whole life. Forget to do point nose. You want to know everything concerning Yore. Forget about my matter. With security leleme. You want to do bodyguard, follow me? No. Bodyguard without payment, you will lose your time. A time no ya go to ti wedding ya ti ebese, egbe dream oriya, de ba wo no gbe a, de te botani so no gbe o. Awe ma so to egbe tun, egbe ma ni mo wo no ma, ugbijo re nu wa o se, nu jo wa e wa do investigate, ugewe u se wa wuji. Oh, when ke do mo ko be 12 years we he. Oh, when no pe ke to so asie Morocco we he. U ga via oje family magbe. Even mene we bie no pe ani. Ah we na wuje gbe magbe. Oda fon we ke ya bie yo e hu we. Iwini jore ga mu we sister. Odo no bie yo wa ke so as friend dot say we hu we. Because woman we va work ba me. Concentrate your family no savio no we. Forget about other family. Whether the person get beleo, whether he not get beleo, whether the person don't born, whether the person not born, it's none of your business. Your business now, your children's life. Your mother or your father. If you don't have father, you must have family. Yes. Talk about your life. Hey, yeah, I'm your toy. Yeah, I'm your toy now. Even I'm your toy. Oh, man, I'm your guy. Who came your toy? Who came your man? Okay, man. Why me no more effort la just one so. Why to sell material? Oh, then when wala. Just because we are here. Let me tell you one thing. Una here about there. If you dey drive, you dey look. If you not concentrate on your driving, what did they happen to person? What did they happen to person? I want make una reply me. If you dey drive, you dey look on other side. What did what happen to you? If you dey walk out for roads, you know they look where you dey go, you dey look on other side. What go happen to you? You see how? So I want me to think this message. If you dey look me, you not look where you dey go. What will happen to you? Please, brothers and sisters, share this message. This message will wake you up. This message will make you know. Say yes. Focus on your way. If you they look at that other house, beautiful house where you not build, wetin wan happen to you? Talk truth now. Oh Jesus Christ, wetin wan happen to you? You get your own car, you dey drive, you dey look this side, or you dey look back, you dey look your back. Wetin go happen to you? Go and think about this message. David also know that way. We can drive una yeke or una left and right. David also know that way. Forget about anything you hear for this life. It's none of your business, whether good or bad. It's none of your business. Oh woman, oh my tolo, no not talk. It's none of your business. You get me? So mind your business. Mind your business. Whether